Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to compare two amazing cameras, the Panasonic LUMIX GX85 and the Canon EOS R8. We will evaluate them in various categories and help you decide which one is the right choice for you. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. When it comes to fine detail performance, the Panasonic LUMIX GX85 takes the lead. With its 16-megapixel micro Four Thirds sensor and no low-pass filter, it provides a nearly 10% boost in fine detail resolving power over existing sensors in its class. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R8 also delivers impressive image quality with its 24.2 million pixel CMOS image sensor and Digic X image processor. For photographers who want a lightweight and versatile camera, the Panasonic LUMIX GX85 shines. Its mirrorless interchangeable lens system allows you to shoot lighter and faster, with two super compact lenses included in the kit. This gives you the modern hybrid photography performance of a mirrorless camera, with nearly half the bulk of most DSLRs. The Canon EOS R8 also offers similar benefits, providing an affordable and compact option for those stepping up to a full-frame camera. When it comes to stabilization, both cameras excel. The Panasonic LUMIX GX85 boasts class-leading dual-image stabilization, working in both photo and motion picture recording. This means you can capture clear handheld shots, even in challenging low-light conditions. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R8 also offers impressive stabilization capabilities with its dual-pixel CMOS AFE system, ensuring sharp and steady images. In terms of viewfinder and display, the Panasonic LUMIX GX85 comes equipped with an integrated eye-level electronic viewfinder and a rear touch-enabled 3-inch LCD display. These features provide you with flexibility, offering 80 degrees of up-tilt and 45 degrees of down-tilt for maximum viewing convenience. Similarly, the Canon EOS R8 also features a 0.39-inch OLED EVF and a vari-angle LCD touchscreen, ensuring a pleasant shooting experience. If you're into videography, both cameras have impressive 4K capabilities. The Panasonic LUMIX GX85 allows you to record 4K QFHD video at 30 FPS, as well as utilize exclusive LUMIX 4K photo and post-focus features. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R8 delivers uncropped 4K movie recording at up to 60 FPS, oversampled from 6K, along with full HD high frame rate movie recording at up to 180 FPS. The choice depends on your specific video needs. And that's a wrap. We have compared these fantastic cameras, the Panasonic LUMIX GX85 and the Canon EOS R8, in various categories. Both cameras have their strengths and are great options depending on your preferences and budget. We hope this video has been helpful to you. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and comparisons. Until next time, happy shooting!